Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s minus 1 because we still have s. So I will put negative number 1 go to the left and you will have about u plus 1 equal to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have the u equals to the s. This one we change by u. About s we change by u plus 1. The s we change by the u. So number 2 multiplied by u and number 1. So 2 plus 1 you got about number 3. U to the power of 3 multiplied by number 3 and 2u. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 4, we have u to the power of 5 over 5. The integration of u to the power of 3, we have u to the power of 4 over 4. And we put about c. That's it, we just add number 1 on the power and later that we divide by the power plus 1. That's why you got this one and this one. About u, that's about s minus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.